In this video, we will discuss how to create a calculated expression using Zacks data. The Zacks databases contain thousands of items, but there may be times where an item is not available in our databases. You can easily create a calculated expression using Zacks data. Within any of the wizards, whether it be the single data point, the time series, or the multi-company table, under the Zacks ribbon, you can click that and then you can click the option Calculate. When you click on Calculate, the window will expand, showing more functions down at the bottom. We will build a calculation item in the calculation expression box, which is right here. Let's build a PEG calculation. In the valuation category of DBCM, we do have a PEG item that uses the F1 estimates. So in valuations, you'll see we have the PEG F1. But if you want to use the F2 estimates instead, that is not available as a standard item in our databases. The calculation we will build for PEG F2 is the PE using F2 estimates divided by the 3 to 5 year growth rate estimate. The first step is to find the PE F2 item in DBCM. So we will find the PE under PE right here, and then we have the PE using F2 estimates. Once we find that, we will double click it. You'll now see we have item 74 that popped up in our calculation expression box. Now we want to divide that, so we're either going to hit divide on our keyboard, or we're going to go to this operator and we'll double click here. Next, we want to find the 3 to 5 year growth rate estimate. This is the EPS projected category and it is item 68. So item 68, next 3 to 5 year estimate EPS growth. So we'll double click that, and now we'll see that we have item 74 divided by item 68. Now I want to find this for Apple, so I'm going to put in this box here AAPL. If you leave this blank, it will use the workbook main ticker, which is right here, and it's currently set to IBM. So now I'm going to hit apply, close, and then yes, I want to refresh. You'll now see I have the PEG F2 for Apple. If I use the main ticker, we would go up to this box right here that's change ticker, we'd click, and then you could change whatever ticker you want it to be in here. Next, I want to find the 200-day moving average price for Apple. So again, we're going to go to our single data point, and we'll go to DBDP, which is our historical daily prices. So here, I'm just going to click on price and volume data to see some of the options, and I'm going to hit calculate. So in this one, I'm going to use some of the function options down here. I want to use the moving average function under function category, and I want to use the moving mean. Now in the function parameters, this is where we're going to set what we want to happen. So I want the daily price, which is item 6, so I'm going to put 6. And then I want it from the most recent date. You can put in a different date, but I want the most recent. Since this is a 200-day moving average, we'll set this to 200 days. And then we will hit add selected function. You'll now see we have the moving mean for 200 days of item 6. Now I want this for Apple, so again, I'll go to the ticker box and I'll put in AAPL. I'll hit apply, close, and I want to refresh the data. So now I have the 200-day moving average for Apple. Now the cool part about this is I can actually drag this down, and in the formula here, I can delete out mean and put in LO for the low price, and I can put in high for the high price. I will hit refresh selection. And now you'll see we have the 200-day moving average, low, and high price for Apple. Next, we want to calculate the price change for Apple since the beginning of 2015. To do this, we'll go to single data point. We'll stay in our historical daily prices database, or DBDP, price and volume, to see our options, and again, we'll hit calculate. So to do this, I want to take the current price. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go to item 6 here, and I'm going to double click. So now we have item 6 in the calculated expression, and that is the most current. I'm going to do divide. We can also do it in the operator, but we're going to divide by the price as of 12/31/2014 close. Now to do that, we're going to keep item 6 highlighted. We're going to go to the date and period option right here. We're going to go to the drop down, and we're going to find 12/31/2014. So now we have price and volume, item 6, and then we have 12/31/2014 all selected. We'll now double click this option, and you'll see we have the item 6 with the specific date we had specified right here. Now to complete this, we'll just do -1 because it is a price change, and then we want to put in our Apple ticker. So we'll hit apply, close, refresh, and now we have our price change since the beginning of 2015. Besides simple calculation expressions like we just created, Zacks Link also has complex functions such as aggregate functions, ranking functions, and averages. Please see the instructional videos on some of these advanced features for more detail. Thank you for watching the ZRS Excel link, How to Use Calculated Expressions.